Hello YouTube, welcome to my tutorial on the unserialized vulnerability in certain applications. We will see how to use unserialized to our advantage when unserialized looks through attacker controlled data. Now I've built a simple web page which has a form and two inputs, which takes a username and a text field. It takes that and it calls save data, which I have defined here. Save data makes a new user object. It sets the user and text fields, and then it serializes it and sets it to the data cookie. I have also made a read data function which unserializes the cookie data and then returns it. I use the read data function here. I check if cookie is set, or if the data cookie is set, and then I echo the h1 tag with welcome and then my username, and then I echo the text field. So I get a web page that looks like this without the cookie. Let me start the web server. I have already started the web server, so I will open the page which I have, and I will set text here. So please subscribe and like this video. There's a text I'm setting, and if I submit this, it will show me this, my user and the text I have set. If I take a look at the cookie, which you can find in Chrome under application and then cookies, under Firefox it should be under storage cookies, you will see that there is a cookie called data and this value. All these %3a and %3a, %22, all of this is just URL encoding. When it is decoded, it looks like this. We will use this to our advantage, and we will use a certain property of classes to our advantage. Consider this class which I have created and which I don't call anywhere, or I don't create an object of this class anywhere in this file. I only create an object of the user class. When a class has a destruct function or a wake up function, the destruct function is called when the object is going out of scope, and the wake up function is called when it is unserialized. Since we are unserializing attacker controlled data, we are going to set our own data in this cookie, and we are going to let it do its magic. Let us create a new PHP file called exploit.php. Since I want to execute the destruct function in this class, I will create this class and I will set my own command. Let's say ID. Now I will echo the URL encoded version of the serialized validate object that I have defined here. I do not need this include. IntelliSense has been annoying again. Now, if I call or execute exploit.php, I will get this string. If I copy this string, and if I set the text of this cookie to this string that I just copied, and I refresh the page, I get remote code execution. I specify the command id, and it executed the command id because the destruct function of the validate class, it calls pass-through and then the command. All pass-through does is execute the command and give the output back. So that was the unserialized vulnerability.
This is why it is very important to never call unserialize on attacker control data, because we can exploit behavior like this. That's all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.